Please join us at the Library of Virginia on Saturday, April 28, 2018, for our annual Voorhees lecture on the history of cartography. This year, our speakers will focus on 17th century Virginia maps. Our two lecturers are both anthropologists who specialize in the indigenous people and places of early Virginia. The day begins at 10 a.m. with map appraisals, workshop, one-day exhibition, and tours. Lectures begin at 1 p.m. We hope you can come and explore Virginia's earliest inhabitants and culture with us.